Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a simple C program for printing hello world. So let's start. Include stdio.h, the main function, and for printing I am using a predefined function called printf. I want to print hello world and return 0. So even though this is a simple program, so first let me save it. Hello source file .c, save. So let's compile it, no errors, and run it. So there it is, hello world. So even though this is a simple program, there is quite a bit of useful information in this program. So here this hash include is called preprocessor directive. Directive in the sense a command. So hash include is a preprocessor directive. It tells the compiler to link this header file. So .h signifies that it is a header file. stdio is a header file. Its full form is standard input output. So that header file contains some standard input output functions. So one of those standard input output functions is printf. So printf is available in this header file. So what does printf do is it simply prints out the information given inside the parentheses, round brackets. So this is called a string. So it contains the information that I want to print out. So how I am able to say it is a string means in C programming, whatever you notice in between double quotes, that is a string. So you can see here hello world is within the double quotes. So this one is a string. So whatever you give here, that is printed out by printf. And almost all the statements in C programming ends with a semicolon. So be careful with these things. Many of the people face difficulty with the semicolon. You can see the statement is also ending with semicolon. And return, this is a keyword along with int. Int is also a keyword. So you can see here, this is very important in C programming. Main is a function. It is actually a user defined function. Don't worry about what is a predefined and user defined function. I will talk about functions later in the series. User defined function, and the important thing that main does is it represents the starting point of execution in a C program. So no matter how long your C program is, the first instruction that is going to be executed is the first instruction which is inside main function. So the first instruction which is inside main function is this printf line. So this is the first thing that is going to be executed. And main is a function, and this thing int which represents integers in C programming. This here is called a return type of main function. So by writing int main, so it is expected that main is going to return me back an integer. So for that purpose we are returning 0. 0 is an integer. So there is also another meaning. 0, by returning 0 we mean that program terminates or ends successfully without any error. So a function can return back a value by writing this return keyword. I will talk about keywords and other things later in the series. So even though this is a small program, there is lot of information in this. I hope I have touched all the information. So that's it. Thank you.